Rev X has many products designed to get the most performance out of your vehicle. In this video, we'll talk about Rev X Oil Additive. We'll cover how to use it, when to use it, how much to use, what it works in, and what results you can expect to help you save money. Let's talk about how to use it. First, locate and remove your oil cap. Open Rev X Oil Additive, pour into your oil. Replace the oil cap. No tools needed, it's that easy. Now let's talk about when to use it. Use Rev X Oil Additive when you regularly change your oil, which is about every 10,000 miles. Do your regularly scheduled checks every 2,000 miles. How much to use and what it works in. Rev X Oil Additive was not formulated for just diesels. It works in many things. High-performance engines, go-karts, dirt bikes, motorcycles, race cars, domestic and imports, pretty much anything with lubricating fluid. Gasoline-powered engines like cars, trucks, and boats, 4 fluid ounces treats up to 6 quarts of oil. Heavy diesel like construction equipment, add 12 ounces to your oil. For medium diesel like semi-trucks and buses, use 8 ounces for the initial treatment, then 4 ounces per oil change after. Light diesel like passenger cars, trucks, and light diesel powered equipment like generators, wood chippers, small tractors, or anything requiring 10 quarts of oil or less, use 4 ounces. For diesel stiction fix, use 8 ounces. For all racing applications, we have a racing oil additive for use in gasoline, E85, and alcohol racing vehicles. Amounts in this video are generalized. For more detailed information, contact us at revxoil.com. What you can expect by using Rev X Oil Additive. Some benefits of using Rev X Oil Additive include increase in horsepower, torque, and turbocharger performance. It reduces friction and thermal temperatures, making components quieter and last longer. That's less money you have to spend on replacement parts. It works in about any lubricating fluid, and it's environmentally friendly. If you want the maximum performance out of your vehicle and save money in the process, go to revxoil.com and buy yours today.